Hi, Davi here, and today we have a new episode in the Art Review series, and today we'll be checking out the work of Ihasa 39, or let me try translating this. Asahi, hopefully I'm right. Usually when it's like a Japanese or Korean name, or Chinese, whatever, sometimes I don't put it in the title of my videos, only because I don't know if it's like a joke, because sometimes people write these names as like a joke, or it's not like their actual name. So, and they can change it often, but this is like harder to change, I think. So it's a lot more reliable. So let me try translating this. What? Various things? Okay. Oh, I think I found this artist via this specific piece. To me, it looked super cute. So I think this one's a girl, this one's a girl, and this one's a guy. That's my guess. Oh, I was looking for some feet. Oh, we have some. Well, it's the foot of the guy. Oh, we got some toe of the girl here, so it's something. But it sounds like she's saying huh, or something. I don't know. That's kind of my assumption. So maybe she's being a bit jealous. You can tell that the eyes are sort of dead, so she probably wants to kill him right now. I'm guessing again it's a girl, so who knows. But yeah, I like these sorts of drawings. Like when you're doing like, oh, is that feet? She's trying to remove her sock. Oh my, look at that nice bit of pink there. Oh, onegaishimasu. Yeah. What is she eating? Even if it's not like a full comic, even stuff like these, it's just fun, you know. Like sometimes it's more about capturing like a moment. And that's it. You don't have to be so crazy with your storyline, or yeah, you don't have to think about like an entire like series of events. Sometimes it's just about the moment, and I do like these types of like short comics. Like it's just typically like one panel. I do think they sharpen the piece in the end, because I can see like even the pixelization of these like lines. Very interesting. Yeah, some double lines here and there, meaning two lines instead of one. So kind of sharp. If you look at the way it's being colored, it's mostly just flats, and then maybe some softer parts for like the blushing, maybe the ears or the tips of the fingers, or in this case, the toes. Pretty cool. Oh my, what's going on? Shh. Well, are these both girls? I don't even know. By the way, this is such a common thing, using two clips in anime. I've seen that so often. Two clips. Okay. Shh. Oh no, something is happening. If you look at the line art, it doesn't even have pen pressure. It's like a bold, a basic round brush. I mean, there is some difference in like line weight. Right, this line is very thin. There's some hierarchy there, but it's basically like a basic round hard brush. No opacity, no pen pressure, no anything. But oh, Gaomon. Let's keep this hush hush. Wait, what's going? Shh, what is this? Oh my! If we're Japanese, are probably like coming right now. Kidding. Oh. A skirt, so I'm guessing these are, it's like Yuri. Maybe this is like Yuri content. Yuri is like a, as opposed to like yaoi. Yaoi is like guy. Yuri is girl. Interesting. In this case, if you look at the tip of the elbow, the tips of the fingers, you can see the edge of that. It's not like a soft brush, kind of like the blush here in the face. It's done differently. But do you see how you don't even, it's not like a heavy painting, you don't see textures, it's all just flats, but the story is, it's clear, it's, you know, there's no ambiguity. Let me see some extra slides here, or, so her knee is being touched. Very sensible. Okay. And I do like the expressions. They're kind of, they're not exact chibi, but you know, the eyes are big. The face is like super stylized. What is going on here? Oh, Baka. Baka, no. Come. Right? Hopefully I'm not the only one who enjoys seeing drawings like these. It's I think this from the, what's that anime? The Dungeon Meshi something. I've only seen like a few episodes. I think I stopped around the clam or the knights who are being controlled by some kind of was it a clam or some kind of like mollusk or snail? I'm not sure. I do remember seeing like a big dragon bird person with like red, it's colored white. The feathers are like white, but the claws are like red. I remember seeing that. But look at that. This is some nice fan art. But if you look at the coloring again, this flats, and it's a bit desaturated on the lighter side as well. It's not very like bright or vibrant. It's kind of basic, but I think it's the expression that actually the way it's drawn is what leads the whole thing. The blushing here, you can still see the edge. It's not like a soft brush. Contrast that to this, where it's like a soft edge. So they were using a soft brush. The blushing here is super intense. Way more hatching. Even the hatched lines are like super. There's more of it. They're closer together, the actual lines. And there's a bit more saturation, I guess. So she's like blushing, or maybe she's being eaten out. I'm sorry. What is going on? Baka. Look at the hands. Oh my god, they're being spread apart. No, Baka, no. Just drooling. Oh, they're so tired. Sometimes you have to punish people, right? For being disobedient. What is happening here? I can't tell if it's a girl or a guy. Does it matter? I'm kidding. It's a joke. Don't cry. I mean, what a compromising position. Oh no, I tripped in the bed. I mean, come on. Oh, basketball. I hate basketball. I'm sorry. I only hate it because it sucks. Because I suck, not necessarily the sport. They're saying don't hate the game, hate the player. I think that applies to me specifically. Oh, let me just see this translation. This is Ma-san. Oh, look at the lines here. Way smaller, way thinner. But again, do you see pen pressure? Do you see this like pixelation? I know you can remove that with like alias, anti-alias. I'm not sure what the proper term is. But it shows that even if you have that kind of smoothing turned off, and it's just like this, where it's kind of harsh, kind of gritty, kind of sharp. To me, it still looks good. It shows you that fundamentally they just understand how these characters are, like, the expressions, the narrative in them. They know how to prioritize that. Oh no, you can't separate these two. I think they're trying to sniff something. Yeah. I'm not sure what show is this from. I do like this hairstyle where you have like a braid. Like your hair is not all the way long. Maybe this whole chunk is like short, but in the back it's like long. I like it. But perhaps this is more like yaoi. I'm guessing it's a bit yaoi. Oh, she's like frustrated about something. Again, the blushing, you can see the actual hard edge there. Oh, it's some texture. Interesting. There is some texture. Oh, and this is actually like a bit of a gradient. Look at how this part of the hair is a bit light. So they're using a soft brush for that. Interesting. The point is, on average, their work is kind of minimally. What is going on here? Oh no, this looks very interesting. Come on. Look at that. Kind of reminds me of the guy from Demon Slayer, Inosuke, because I think it's the blue sort of hair tips. Inosuke has that same hairstyle. Oh no, hands touching. What the? Oh my god. Is there more? Oh, it's just like one image. So it's like a cat. You know, you got some cat ears, a cat tail. Back, yeah. Same thing, the tips of the fingers, the blushing. Oh, if you look at this part of the nose, you can see the hard edge, right? The blushing has a soft edge. They kind of switch their techniques here and there depending on whatever. Wait, what's happening? Why is the black-haired guy or girl? No idea. Blushing. I don't even see the hand. Like, what's happening here? Here's like a more fun expression, right? But you go down. Now she's like serious. It's so perverted, but I do like it. Oh, what? Oh my! Shh! What is happening? Back there, right? Is there like a deep storyline? Well, it's because, well, first of all, I can't read Japanese, so there's probably something there. But do you see how like it's like a one panel kind of thing? It's like it's about a moment, and to me, that's, you don't need that much. I think that's all. That's all you need. If you look at the hair here, it's all like one silhouette. You don't even see like anything being drawn. I know it works. Oh, wait, it is Yuri. My bad. Because the skirt and the high socks. Come in. Very vulnerable, you know. What is happening? That I do like these types of shirts, oversized shirts. It's just super comfy. What is happening? Yeah, they're very good with the blushing thing. Do you see them do anything crazy, or they kind of limit themselves based on this like media tab here on X? They just limit themselves to in the oh my, oh, I love the folds. Look at how that sleeve is drawn. Even the way that this part here is being raised, you gotta study folds. Oh, anyway, yeah, look at oh. No pen pressure again. It's just basic round brush. Looks nice. It just shows you that if you want to just focus on something, then just focus on it. And just by through that focus, you can actually develop proficiency. Right? They're so good at this. Like, they know how to block everything else. They just focus on. They limit their tool sets only because that's what they're, or it keeps. It's a preference, obviously, but also it's a. That limitation helps them focus more on the story, I guess. But look at that. Oh, I guess she's being kissed and played with in the back as well. What is going on? And they're so good at the expressions, the blushing, the embarrassing sort of vibes. Oh man. Right? Even here, you can see the sharpness in the lines, like the pixelization. They call it like it almost looks like a staircase. To me, I used to not like it, but over time, I think it depends on who's drawing those lines. Interesting. The face, it's almost like a soft brush, but it's like it's not just around like the nose or cheek area or the ears. It's like most of the face. But you can tell it's like a soft brush. Look at that. Oh no, you're spreading her apart. Oh my god. Yeah. The style here is a bit different, but interesting. She kind of reminds me of Chun-Li, the hairstyle with the buns. You know what? What you don't notice here is also like the folds. Like they're very good at drawing clothing. Like I don't doubt the folds. Basically, like it just seems believable. And they know which lines to add in, so. And they're a fan of like loose clothing, sweaters. Oh, it's a big image. Oh, is that a Steam Deck? No idea. I don't care what this is, but this is so goddamn good. I agree. Yeah, so I highly recommend this artist. And I mean, look at this. I mean, this is just beyond. And oh, guac, guac, guac. Yeah, I'm gonna link this page in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.